Hey, fellas! What do you do with the used oil? Would you throw it away because you think that it is not good anymore? Don't make that mistake. I'm going to show you a restaurant's secret trick to recover used oil and make it new once more. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a restaurant's secret trick to recover used oil. This is a great way to save money and reduce waste. It's going to be like new and all the dirt is going to come off. We light the fire and let it heat while the oil heats up. Now get some cornstarch here. Everyone has cornstarch at home, right? Place here just 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now mix a little cornstarch and then put a little water on it. First, stir it up a bit. Now put it in the pan. The cornstarch will start frying in the oil. Now inspect what's going to happen to the food scraps that were in this pan. The result of this is incredible. As you can see, it has become like a dough. Do you remember all the dirt that was here? Now look where it is. Everything was left in the dough, and that is why the oil will be very clean. You know that in restaurants they do this, and this saves a lot of money. Smart people should save money these days. Take a good look at how the dirt came out of the oil and stuck to the cornstarch. Now it's very clean. It was really better than new oil. Look what a color! Now take out the dough. The oil is practically new. Became clearer. Perfect. Now look how this turned out here. All the dirt, the grease, all that is nowhere in the cornstarch. The oil looks like new. Now you can use it many more times. Here are a few helpful points to keep in mind. You can store the used cornstarch dough in a sealed container and use it to clean other things, such as your oven or stovetop. If you don't have cornstarch, you can use flour instead. Be careful when boiling the oil as it can splatter. So there you have it. A restaurant's secret trick to recover used oil. The result of this is incredible. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cooking tips and tricks. Also, leave your comment if you like this advice. I want to know your opinion. See you next time. Take care!